Hi there folks, this is Daryl from Belgrademachine again. In the last video I put up for offer a wind turbine I had in the shop that sold not too long ago, so I thought that worked fairly well. And I have quite a few of these little turbine frames, Barebones units I've called them in the past, and I'll probably be putting them up for sale in this format on my YouTube channel, not on eBay or any other spot there, just because they are kind of unique, and I'm going to do that again with this. This is a straight shot unit. You'll see many videos of it. It's something that I had used previously. It's been time tested. The bearings are great. It has a grease circ. Go back through my old videos if you want to see all the details. It wouldn't be worth going through all that again right now, since that material is already there. But this item, I'll tell you, I'm going to put up for sale for, it'll be $425 plus you pay the shipping. And this one is quite premium. I do have a special hub on here, and I'll explain all the details on that. Basically, there's just to give you the summary of things, we have the rotor is 8-inch diameter. I have little marks laid out for where the magnets can go. You can go 12 or 24 or whatever you would like. You know, the arrangement's up to you. It's based on a 1/2-inch stator and 1/2-inch magnets. That's what my little spacer in here is designed for. That gives you a little tiny gap between the magnets and your stator. Okay, and then I have the flow-through hub, the hub that you've seen in the previous video, with extensions. I have all 6 extensions here. Again, I have a video on this, so you can see that. I include that and the mounts for it. It takes the Thermodyne KT blade. I've used the black ones, and they work very well. They're very durable, and they're reasonably priced, so that's what this is for. Without taking this off right now, you have a 17 millimeter. This is a 17 millimeter hub, so it can fit right on the car alternator styles. If you have, you know, that already in hubs and you want to try and exchange things, you could, in theory, take the existing hubs that you may already have, put it on here, and then drill it out to accept these. Okay, so you can switch that back and forth. That's kind of cool. Other things that are worth mentioning is the tower attachment. Now, again, like I said, this needs to go to someone who is able to and feels comfortable to safely mount magnets. You know, lower a magnet rotor down onto your stator. I've got jacking bolts here. There's inherent dangers involved where you can injure yourself or if you do this wrong. So if you don't feel comfortable taking on this project, I rather you not bid on this. Not to be mean about it, this is not for the ready to go folks, and I apologize that I can't offer more support than that, but you need to know that about this turbine. So coming back to the tower mount, including this, I did not weld this together. You have about 1 inch and 620 thousandths OD here if you want to mount that directly into a piece of pipe, or you can, I think this is gosh, I think that's 2-inch. I don't even want to say what it is because I'm not sure what it is, to be honest with you. It's a piece of pipe that I have, and it's going to be included. This outside diameter is 1 and about 900 thousandths, so just under 2 inches, and that can go down into a tower, and you can weld that. Okay, you can figure it out. The other thing you have is a way to bring the wires up through, and I have 3 threaded 1/4 28 things there, so you can attach something to that to attach your wires down there. Now, that being said, so all of you that don't know, this goes right into here. That's on a full bearing, and that spins. And to prevent that from coming off, you would attach something to the end. I may even have it and send it in the box with you, but I want to caution you that whatever you put on there, you want to make sure that it doesn't chew up the wires, right? Because they could spin in that area. And that was one problem I experienced. I don't think I have that in a video of mine, but you can solve that. There's a lot of turbine here where, not to be difficult, or I think that someone who wants to solve those problems can figure that out. But there's a lot of things they might not be able to make, like this hub and all the other parts. There's some plasma cut parts here and machine work and all that, and all that's done for you. So I think the value is quite good for what it is. So anyway, enough said there. You kind of get the idea, and these videos are going to be short and kind of crude. But let's go ahead and get into a box and see what she weighs and what the dimensions are, and then we'll just do a little concluding remarks, and then I'll let you guys bid on this. Okay, so she's in a box, ready to go. The box weighs 43 pounds. It will be 14 inches by 14 inches by 19 inches, and it will be sent UPS ground from zip code 59714. So if you'd like to purchase this, go ahead and send me an email. In the title, just write, I'll take the Mini, and the first one that does that's going to get it. It's again $425 plus the shipping, and what happens then is I send you a PayPal invoice, and then you pay me through that, and then I get her on the way. And like I said earlier, I really want someone who understands this machine to get this. Of course, we'll chat, and if you need any little tiny things, that's one thing. But it's something you're gonna have to cast your own stator, get your own blades for it, make a tower, and all that other stuff. So I just want to be very clear about that. But beyond that, here it is and ready to go. So thank you very much for watching, and until next time.